Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 8.6, Question number 7. If u of x comma y is equal to e power x sin y, where x equal to st square, y equal to s square t, where s and t are element of R, find dou u by dou s, dou u by dou t, and evaluate at s equal to t equal to 1. Now, the functions u of x comma y equal e power x sin y and x equal st square, y equal s square t, and s and t is an element of R. Now dou u by dou x equal uv e power x sin y differentiation is now here sin y is a constant here because you have to differentiate with respect to x, so e power x sin y, dou u by dou x is e power x sin y, and which is equal e power x equal e power s t square, and sin y is s square t. Then dou u by dou y equal sin y, that is dou u by dou y e power x cos y equal e power st square, and cos of y is s square t. Now dx by dt is equal x is st square, therefore to st and dy by dt equal s square t, therefore here s square. Now next is by chain rule. Dou u by dou x equal dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y dy by dt equal, so you have to do dou u by this e power s t square sin of e power sin of s sin of dx with sin of s dx by dt is dou u by dou x equal to sin of s square t into dx by dt is dx into dx by dt is 2st. We have to find dou u by dou s, not dou u by dou x, dou u here. We have to find dou u by dou s is equal dou u by dou x and dx by ds. Dx by ds plus dou u by dou y into dy by ds. Dou u by dou x equal e power s t square into sine of s power 2t, the dx by dt. Dx by ds we have to do here. Now also you have to do dx by ds equal dx by ds is t square and dy by ds equal 2st. Here 2st, we have to substitute this one, sine of s 2t, s power 2t, because dx by ds dou u by dou x equal e power st square into sine of s square t. Sine of s square t plus e power st square to cos of s power 2t into 2 st, 2 power st. Dy by ds 2 st here, 2 st. So we can say dou u by dou s at s equal to t equal to 1 equal, here s and t is 1, therefore it is e power 1 sine 1 plus 2, because 2 st, 2 into 1 into 1, and 2 e power 1 cos of 1. So therefore we can take out e common, sine of 1 plus 2 cos of 1. And dou u by dou t, by chain rule you can write dou u by dou x and dx by dt plus dou u by dou y dy by dt. Now apply the values. E power st square into sine of s power 2t into 2st plus e power st square into cos of s power 2t into s square. Now we'll apply the value dou u by dou t at s equal to t equal to 1 equal 2 e power 1 sine of 1 because s and t equal to 1 plus e power 1 cos of 1. So we have e common 2 sine 1 plus cos 1. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.